Good morning, everybody. My name's Vinny. I've been asked how to make a dedicated custom page. Now, the other earlier video I made is how to make a new page and a link that goes up on the menu here. So we're going to have to recreate that real quick. So we're going to have to get into our admin dashboard. And what we're looking for right now here is your plugins manager. So go ahead and click on that. And we're going to go to our pages manager. Go ahead and click on that. But now we're going to have to create a new page. So let's go ahead and create a new page. And we're going to call this page the admin's room. All right. Now, again, pages alias. The software itself on Moose Social will make this for you. Unless you want an off-site page, then you'd have to put the URL in. So for now, let's leave this blank. Here, let's leave this blank for now. You can go back and customize it. These are meta tags. I'm not going to put anything in there for right now. Now, settings, allow for comments. Since this is a admin's room or admin's page, you want that checked so your admin can make comments. Now, here we go. If you have permissions here, you can't have everyone. So we're going to uncheck that. Now, if this is for a specific group, you can create a new permissions stamp, and then you can check on that, and they'll be the only ones able to see this room. But for now, admins, let's go ahead and check admins, and we're going to save this page. Again, very important in Moose Social. Now, we're going to go to the systems admin, and we're going to go to the menu. Let's make sure the admin's room, there it is, admin's room is in there on the pages because you've created the page. Let's go ahead and check that, and we're going to add that to the menu over here. So let's go ahead and scroll down, and there it is, the admin's room. Here we go, that's the name, that's what's going to be in the link up top, admin's room. We're going to leave all of this blank for now. Now, active. Make sure this is checked yes. Okay, do you want to open this on a new tab so when your admin click on it, it opens up a new window and keeps them right where they are? That's up to you. I'm not going to check this for now. Again, user group access. What user group has this? Okay, we want to leave this for the super admin. We're going to save this menu. Okay, let's go back to the site real quick. And there it is. So if we click on the admin's room, there it is. Kind of plain, nothing going on, but we want to customize this a little bit. So let's get back in there. We'll go into the admin dashboard. We're going to go into a new section today. We're going to go into the site manager. We're going into the theme manager. And we're going to use the layout editor. Now, what we're going to do is we have to find the admin's room. There it is. Click on the admin's room. And it's kind of plain, not much there. Let's edit the columns. Well, let's see what I want. Today, I want this, just with one column on the left-hand side. I'm going to hit OK, and there it is. Now we want to add comment. Well, we can do a bunch of things. You can put your friends on there, see who's on there. Just click save. Anything else that you might want on there? You might want to put a plain HTML block and customize it yourself. You want a main menu, you want a footer, themes, today's birthdays. You can add anything you want here. Menu questions, anything. Whatever's here you have for blocks, it'll be okay. And all right, and let's just throw a few things in there. Popular topics. Let's see, save, let's see, popular album, popular blogs. Let's put popular blogs there. Okay, now, like everything else in Moose Social, make sure you do the save changes. So let's go ahead and save this for now. All right, and we're going to go back up here, and we're going to see what we've made. There's the admin's room. And here you go. Everything is in there that you might have wanted to add. This is totally customizable. But let's take a look. We want to make sure this is just for admin. So let's log out. And I have another user here, so I'm going to log in. So I'm going to log in as a regular user. And guess what? The link is not there. The regular user cannot see this page that you've created. So let's log back out again. We're going to log back in. And lo and behold, there is the admin's room, which you can see that you've customized the page. This is very easily done. Now, if all of this doesn't work for you, you can just remove all this stuff. Let me go over that very quickly. Go to the admin's room. We're going to sign in as your admin. Let's close this out. I'm going to go to the Pages Manager, and we're going to go right here. There's our admin's room. We're going to delete that right there. Now, if we go back to the site, the link is still there. Remember, they are separate, the page and the link. So if we click on this, it gives us this does not exist. So let's go back into the admin's dashboard. We're going to go to the admin's here. We're going to go to the menu, and we're going to remove this from the menu. We're going to go click here. Whoops. Come on. There we go. And we're going to remove this. Go ahead and remove it. Make sure, again, in Moose Social, save everything. We're going to go back up here. Nothing here. And let's check in the dashboard one more time. The Site Manager, the Layout Manager, and the Layout Editor. We're going to go here. The admin's room is gone, so we're all set with that. I hope this short video helped you. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. Again, if it's over my stature, I will not mislead you. I'll lead you to the Moose Social support group, and they'll be able to help you. Other than that, have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed the video.